Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain about particle. Let's begin! Let's start! Particle is a function that emits particles from a mesh object. Here, I'll try to emit particles from an object. First, let's open up Blender. Click the particle properties, then click the plus button in it. Then the particle settings will be displayed. When you actually move it, you can see that the particles are coming out from all sides of the square. Next, let's change the shape of the particles. Change the top of the particle properties in the default display. Change particle type from emitter to hair. You can see that the particles are linear and come out of all sides of the square. In the case of hair, the particles do not move even when played. Next, let's change the velocity of the particles. Keep the particles displayed in their default state. Click velocity in the particle properties to expand it. Change the normal value from 1 meter per second to 10 meters per second. When you actually move it, you can see that the speed at which the particles come out has increased. Next, let's change the gravity of the particle. As before, with the default display, click Field Weights in the particle properties to expand it. Change the gravity in it from 1 to 0. Click Emission in Hair in the particle properties to expand it. Change the hair length value from 40 to 4 meters. When you actually move it, you can see that the particles are radiated slowly without falling. This is the end of the explanation about particles. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.